Yo, what's up guys? It's Donnie back with another video, and today I'm going to explain to you why you don't understand ICT's time frame alignment in trading, and why it's probably the most important thing that you can learn in order to become a profitable day trader. On the technical side, of course. Obviously the most important thing to learn is psychology. But on the technical side, time frame alignment is one of the most important concepts. It's probably the best confluence you can have if multiple time frames are aligning, and when this happens, it's almost like the perfect storm. It's where you're going to get the highest probability trades by far, and despite what some people think, I actually don't think it's too difficult to align time frames. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this is the time frame alignment that I like to use. It basically uses three time frames. So we have our higher time frame, our intermediate time frame, and then our entry time frame. So the highest time frame will be in order to determine a bias. Then we will use our intermediate time frame to look for key liquidity pools and key levels, or PD arrays, that we can use to get up to our target for the day. And then our entry time frame is just where we're looking for the entry model. It's very beneficial to do things like this because you'll have a lot of confluences, because you'll have your, let's say, 4-hour bias correct, and then you'll have your 15-minute market maker model or your 15-minute FEG that we're reacting off of, and then we'll have a 1-minute entry model. So the aligning of all of these time frames, like I was saying earlier, makes the perfect storm for an entry and gives you actually much higher probability than if you were to just use one time frame. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can use time frame alignment on the actual charts in order to get very high probability trades. So I usually start off on the 4-hour time frame looking for IRL ERL. So if you guys don't remember, that means internal range liquidity to external range. Basically, the market moves from fair value gaps to swing highs or swing lows. So at this point right here where I've marked out, we can see that we're in a overall bearish trend, and we're reacting right here off of this 4-hour gap, which means I'm anticipating price to go lower. I'm anticipating price to go down to here, to the next external range point of liquidity. Next, I'll move into the 15-minute chart and look for either a market maker model or some sort of PD array that we can deliver off of in order to get to our target. And what I see is a market maker sell model. Remember, I told you guys to look for the curve. Well, right here is the curve. We've got our original consolidation right here, and we've got our smart money reversal up here inside of a higher time frame fair value gap, of course, the 4-hour fair value gap. So after this point here, I would know that we are confirmed to be bearish, and I would be looking for an entry model on my low time frame, which is the 1-minute time frame. So here there's a lot of setups that you could have taken. Me personally, I took let me look for it. So I entered when we inversed these gaps, and then we put in this order block right here. As you can see, we have this OB right here. This was enough for me to enter a trade because we have two overlapping PD arrays. And I mean, as you can see, we kind of dumped all the way down very quickly. So that's one example of how you can get really, really high probability trades with time frame alignment, and there'll actually be higher conviction as well. I wouldn't obviously recommend holding trades even if your stop loss gets ran, but the thing is with time frame alignment is that it'll give you kind of a cushion if you're undisciplined. I'm not saying this is a good thing, by the way, guys, definitely not a good thing, but it kind of gives you a cushion if you want to have like a looser stop loss, for example, because price is more likely to go into your direction if all of the time frames are aligning like this. So thank you guys for watching my video on time frame alignment. I'll be uploading again hopefully in 2 days, trying to upload every 2 days. Let me know in the comments if I missed anything, and let me know in the comments if you guys have any recommendations for what I should upload next. Thank you.